Hi, I'm 𝗪𝗫. Today I want to debunk a common myth about starting and growing a business. Contrary to popular belief, you don't need a lot of money to build a successful business. In other words, what I'm telling you is that you don't need money, none whatsoever, to start and to grow a business on condition that you do it in the right way. And by the right way, I mean base it on the wealth creator strategy. Now, the wealth creator strategy is simply, if I can give you a definition quickly, the intelligent use of limited resources to go from where you are to where you want to be in the shortest possible time in the least amount of risk. So as entrepreneurs, we do not want to take a risk, or business owners, at least not any financial risk. And for that reason, if we can start a business with no money and no security, we immediately eliminate all of that. But then in risk is when we do not know what we're doing. So what we need to do is to gain the right skills. But we need to get the right skills in the right order for the level of the game. That is a progressive realization of that with the goal, so that we can measure the results. And the moment that we measure the results, we can see if we are on track or if we need to go back to the basics, a different level or the level below where we are in order to get that in place. So what you need, my friend, is the right business skills. And the more skills you've got, the less money you're going to need. Over the last 21 years, I started several multi-million rand businesses or profit centers. And in my next upcoming business masterclass, I'm going to give you my blueprint in order to start and grow a multi-million business with basically no money. And I'm going to share with you 3 secrets to help equip you in order to start that business. Even if you do not know, you haven't got an idea, you haven't got money, you don't know where to start. After that masterclass, you will know. What is it that you're going to discover during this 2-hour free masterclass? There are 3 secrets, and I'm quickly going to mention them. I'm not going to get too deep into it. But the first secret we call unveiling the dark secret behind all business failures. In business, you get risk and growth. And the most important part is a risk. So the biggest risk that a business owner have, 100% of the businesses that fail, I'm not talking about when the business owner dies. I'm talking about when a business fails while that business owner is still alive. There's just one reason. And yet, very few business owners know about this. In fact, 99% of business owners do not know about this. If we can identify that risk, then for the first time we can mitigate it or we can eliminate it. And it is so easy because in this masterclass, I'm going to share this with you. And I'm going to share with you why is it that the majority of businesses fail. And then I'm going to show you if you do not have an idea or if you've got an idea and you've started a business but you don't know how to grow that business. How I'm using nowadays artificial intelligence, AI, in order to start to grow a business and to take that business to the next level. Then also I'm going to explain the different levels of business. Now, I want you to understand these levels even if you do not have a business, because there are 7 levels which I'll explain during the masterclass so that you'll know exactly what to focus on. Because success is a progressive realization of a worthy goal. But that progressive realization, we need to get the right information, the right skills, the right competency in the right order for the level of the game that we're at. Then we have to implement it in order to see and look at the results. If the results are positive, we're going to accelerate that. And that is where the formula for riches comes in, that I'm going to give you, by the way. So if not, we need to go back to the basics. I'm going to show you these levels so that you'll know where you are. And if you just start off what to focus on, then I'm going to guide you through the business evaluation process, which is going to help you to assess your business progress. And of course, if you haven't started, to make sure that you'll be able to take that business from a level 1 to a level 7 in a very, very short time. Now, the second secret is what I call decoding the dual forces of mindset and performance in business. We focus mainly on the business and the techniques and the strategies. But do you know that 95% of your business success is not dependent on that whatsoever? And without this one ingredient, if that is not right, there is no ways that you are going to be successful or at least take the business to the next level. Then, of course, I'm going to introduce you to the only matrix that I use in order to determine the success of my own business or profit centers. And that is, my IGR must be bigger than my FFGR. I'm going to explain that to you. I'm going to give you a tool so that you'll be able to do it, and it's going to be free. Because this is really, at least to me, it's a revolutionary tool that has helped me so many times, not only in my businesses, but also in my investments. Right. The third secret is the golden success triangle. This is something that I've learned from my first mentor. And this is the most effective way to take an idea and turn that into a business, or take a business and take it to the next level. This is absolutely a proven framework that I'm going to give you and help you to ensure that your business idea is going to get wings, and secondly, to ensure that your business is going to thrive. And by simply attending this business class, you're also going to have the opportunity to participate in a live question and answer session where you can ask me basically any business related questions, where I'm going to direct and guide you in order to find the right answer. Now, I also know that your time is valuable, and as I've said, this is about a 2-hour masterclass. So I'd like to give you access to some valuable additional resources that's going to supplement the masterclass. First of all, the Quantum Awakening, which is a mindset course. Then the Financial Freedom Growth Rate. This IGR must be bigger than FFGR. How do you determine your own financial freedom growth rate? Then I'm going to give you access to the 𝗪𝗪 ebook, as well as the Formula for Riches. And the main thing is, during this masterclass, I'm going to show you how I'm using all of this in order to start and to grow my business, and how these additional resources that we're normally selling for 3,450 Rand, how this helps me at least in order to accelerate my business. And the best part is, I'm going to give this to you 100% for free, simply because I really want to help you to change your life, on condition that this is something that you are interested in. Don't miss out on this opportunity to learn how to start and grow a business without needing a large sum of money or skills or education. All you have to do is click on that book now. You'll see that little button. You follow the instructions, and then make sure to secure your place in the Unstoppable Business Masterclass. If you're serious, this is something that can help you to take control of your destiny and create the business that you've always dreamed of. Or if you've got an existing business, to take that business to the next level. I can't wait to see you in the masterclass.